How's it going, everyone? My name is Chris, and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is 10 ways to do push-ups. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and you check the bell so you're notified of all my new videos, and I do appreciate that. So push-ups is one of my favorite moves to do, probably my favorite workout move to do, and I'm going to show you in this video 10 different variations, whether you're just getting started or whether you're more advanced or anywhere in between. So you're going to see a lot of these moves in my workout videos. I do many different variations on push-ups, so I figured I'd just make a video to show you all the variations. So here we go. The first variation, this would be for beginners, would be push-ups on your knees. So very simple. Push-up position on your knees, and that's it. Make sure you get full range of motion. So go all the way down, all the way up. I touch my nose on the ground and I lock out my arms. So I think getting full range of motion is more important. If you're doing regular push-ups but you're not going all the way down and locking out, I think you should go to your knees. Start doing knee push-ups until you get stronger. Okay. Second variation are regular push-ups, of course. So with these, just go all the way down. All the way up. If you're not there yet, just go to your knees. Third variation is wide push-ups. So, extend out another foot. Same as regular, just wide arms. Third variation, narrow push-ups. This works the triceps a little more. So, I put my end of my fingers in like a triangle. You can call these triangle push-ups. And full range of motion. These are one of my favorites. Okay, next variation is leg raise push-ups. So, push-up position, raise one leg off the ground. Full range of motion. You can also switch every push-up. One of my favorite variations right there. Next variation is side-to-side push-ups. So you go wide arms again. You go down to one side then the other. So all the way down to one side, up, all the way down to the other. Up, back and forth. I love that one too. Next variation, elbow to knee push-ups. So, for the first version, do a push-up, elbow to knee. Push-up, I should say knee to elbow, knee to elbow. Push-up, knee to elbow. Push-up, knee to elbow. Just go side to side. Next variation is the same thing, but you bring your knee to your elbow when you're lowered, so it's harder. So you go down, knee to elbow, up, down, knee to elbow, up, down. Just go side to side. But you don't rest your body on the ground. So you got about an inch between you and the ground. Next move, elevator push-ups. Push-up position, you go down halfway, you can hold it for as long as you want, go down all the way, hold it, halfway up, hold it, all the way up. So you're taking these pauses in between, halfway down pause, all the way down pause, but again, you don't rest on the ground. So these get tough. Okay. Last variation that I have would be one-arm push-ups, which I don't really do, but if you can do them, go for it. One arm, have wider legs, that's I think easier, and then go for it. And then try them on the other side. I'm not going to do this right now, I just finished a workout, I'm spent. I don't think I can even do those right now. But if you can do them, do them. So that was it. Make sure you check out my playlist on workout routines. I do a lot of those push-ups, variations of pull-ups, all sorts of body weight moves. Contact me if you'd like some one-on-one coaching on fat loss and wellness. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and give a thumbs up if you like it. And have a great day, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.